Hey guys, Sal here again, Done Right Windows and Doors. Let me show you what we need to look for when we unpackage a Pella Impervia window. First, when it shows up, we have to inspect the cardboard itself. See if there's any damage done while shipping. If there's any damage done, then we open up the box right there at the warehouse. If there's no damage done, we want to open up this box within 5 days, hopefully on the job site itself, so we don't have any possibilities of damaging the product in transit on our own. So right now, everything looks good. We don't see if there's any damage on the cardboard. Let's go ahead and open this up. You always want to run your razor blade very carefully on the outside edge, never on the face side. This is the fiberglass product. We're going to look at all the seams, look at the color itself, make sure that there's no blemishes, that there was no damage during anything whatsoever, manufacturing or the shipping process. Everything looks good on this window. Now we do need to check the glass. If there is any issues with the glass, the manufacturing company will take care of it. It can be done later, but everything looks good on this one. Everything looks good. So this window is ready to be installed. We have removed roughly 3 inches of stucco all the way around the window. Removed the window by the nail fins, how it was originally installed. Flashed the bottom. Wet set the window behind the nail fin, which means that we put the sealant behind the nail fin, which is sandwiched over the 2x4 or the framing of the house and the backside of the nail fin. Screwed it in with our fasteners, then flashed it on the sides, then top, very important in that order. Bottom, sides, then top, to get your correct waterboard direction. It is then sealed with the sides. When this is completed, you shouldn't even notice, besides a brand new window, that it was replaced. With this product, the pros and cons. Con is definitely the cost. This is gonna be more expensive than any of your vinyl product out there. However, the pros are abundance. You have the color being black on black as one of your options. Definitely one of the more modern looks that everyone's going with. The strength, fiberglass windows are by far stronger than any vinyl product out there. As far as the finish is definitely much stronger as well. You're gonna get many years out of this product without it even fading. The Pella product in the Impervia does have a finish to it. It is supposed to represent the wood grain of a wood window. You are going to get a sleek, clean line with 90 degrees. The Pella Impervia versus the other Pella product lines. This is the only fiberglass through and through product that they offer. Everything else is going to be either an aluminum clad or a wood interior and exterior. We do not offer the wood interior exterior product here in Arizona just because of the climate. This will be your most durable product line here for Arizona, and it is our preferred product of choice. A less expensive or comparable product you might want to consider. Unfortunately, you're not going to have anything that's going to be comparable unless it is another fiberglass product. You do have a Milgard fiberglass product, and you have the Anderson Fibrex product. That is their fiberglass comparable product. If you are looking for a black on black, your less expensive product line would be a capstock vinyl. However, it's not going to be nearly as strong as this product. For Arizona, we highly suggest for black on black being a stronger product of the fiberglass versus the vinyl. So when it comes to a fiberglass product and comparing what your options are, there really is no bad option in the fiberglass. The Pella product is going to have a nice, clean, straight line detail. You're going to have 90 degrees to it. On your operating windows, you do have 3 1/8 of an inch from frame edge to visible glass with the textured finish. That compared to, let's say, the Anderson Fibrex is their fiberglass version, just as durable. It is going to have a smoother finish. It will still have 90-degree curves, so it's not going to have an ornate detail to it. You will have the same 3 1/8 of an inch from frame edge to visible glass. No matter what, if it is the operating window, if it's the picture window, if it's the casement window. On the Anderson product, it's all going to be 3 1/8 of an inch. So all the frames do look the same. In the Pella product, you do have a smaller frame profile available from frame edge to glass on the picture windows, but their sliding windows are going to have the same 3 1/8 of an inch. The frame depth may work or not work for you depending on what product or your house design you have. The Pella Impervia, being the fiberglass, for the majority of their product are 3 1/8 of an inch deep. Some of their window operations are actually 4 1/8 of an inch deep, so be careful what you can install in your home. The Anderson window will be 3 1/4 inch frame depth, no matter what operation you choose. Now, those are the two options. We still have the Milgard fiberglass product, which will have the smallest frame edge to visible glass frame profile. It is going to come at 4¼ inches deep on the window frame itself. It will be a smooth finish. Yes, black on black is an available option with them as well. All of which are very viable options for your house. They are going to be more expensive than your vinyl product, but for Arizona, I highly suggest the more durable product over your vinyl product. I'm not saying the vinyl product is a bad option. I am just saying that the fiberglass product is a better option, but the price tag will actually show it as well. As far as the warranty, there's going to be 2 different types of warranty. You're going to have your installation warranty and then your product manufacturing warranty. For the installation warranty, it's going to be the same with all 3 products that we talked about. Anything that's man-made through us is going to offer a lifetime warranty as original purchaser. As far as the product itself, each window manufacturing company is going to vary. You are going to want to take a look at their website for the specific state that you are in, for the specific product, for their warranty, for that product specifically. I know there's a lot of specifics, but there's a lot of specifics. You can do a side-by-side comparison in our showroom. It is by appointment only. Give our office a call, 480-906-4109. Talk to you soon.